Hey guys, welcome to Underground Customer Performance. In this channel, we're going to cover custom cars, custom motorcycles, turbochargers, wiring, car maintenance, drag racing, and much more.
Action! Groovy.
One of our main cars on this channel is the turbocharged Lexus IF350. It's going to be a LS3 motor, LS3X, 8400 transmission, on-3 performance turbo. I would not say what size it is. And ollie intake, it's going to be a high ram, not that style intake, and a turbocharged ZX14. Also, if you like what you see, please subscribe for future content.